All right, RVers, I want to show you this super cool table I just got put around my Solo stove. And no, I'm not a newbie, and I didn't buy a Solo stove just because I was newbied into it. Solo stoves are extremely cool, extremely fun to have camping, and this will just add to it. Lightweight table, a little bulky to carry around, but this thing is cool, and I love the way the Solo stove starts right up, burns, hot, looks good. I know it's really windy out here, that's why you can see the wind blowing everywhere, but I'm not too worried about sparks or anything because it doesn't spark, it just burns and burns efficiently. All right, we are getting ready to go camping, and this is going to be super cool. I'm gonna open this up quick and show you. It is a surround for my Solo stove. So safety and a table for food and drinks all around the Solo stove. It's going to be super cool and super fun. All right, today, if you can see this, I'm opening up the box. This is a surround, a table for my Solo stove. I want to thank the manufacturer for sending it to me. It's going to be really cool. All right, so I got all the parts out, and I figured I'd show you how simple this is to install. You just have 4 corners. I lined them up like that. A good old bag with screws are going to go on nice and easy. And then here you can see this is like a side rail protector, and this will go in like this with the foot up, and then we'll put the side rail easily in here. So I'll show you a little bit more, but otherwise install's pretty darn easy. All right, progress is coming right along. I've got these 4 pieces put together and tightened up, and then the way these side rails go together, pretty simple. Just a screw here and a screw here, and I've got 3 out of the 4 done in kind of a U shape, and I'm gonna flop it over and finish the rest of it. All right, I got it all put together. These screws are all still really loose. You need to leave them loose because these are like a little tricky to get in. So I got all 4 of those in. I've got these all tightened up. I've got these all tightened up, no problem. Now I'm gonna just tighten up the legs, and we got it ready to go. All right, check that out. We just got the stove out and we set it up, and we put this camper ring around it, and it's even to the top of the ring, which is excellent. Nice protective barrier. Once again, this coating is really good looking. I really like the tarnished, turned brushed brass black, and it fits perfectly around my bonfire Solo stove. So let's make a little fire.